In the list of the hazardous substances compiled by the International Agency for Cancer Research, one can find petrol, alcohol, tobacco, salted fish, sawdust, solar radiation, oral contraceptives, and many other things that the average person comes across every day. These are carcinogenic substances. Carcinogens provoke various processes in the human body which may lead to the formation of malignant tumours. However, the harm from carcinogens does not necessarily lead to illnesses. The health of a person may seriously deteriorate only if he has been subjected to large doses of this hazardous substance for a long time period. In other cases, the impact of carcinogens is insignificant. We can say, for example, that the sun, or salt fish, does not cause any hazardous effects among the sunbathers or foodies. But the substance called asbestos is heavily criticized among specialists. Before jumping to illogical conclusions, let us take a look at what asbestos really is. Asbestos is the common term for a whole group of natural fiber minerals called amphiboles. Chrysotile is among them. They are extremely solid. Amphiboles can resist a temperature of up to 1,600 degrees C. In spite of similarities, these kinds of asbestos vary in chemical composition and the structures of the minerals. They also vary in color. The fibers of crocodolite are blue, amosite is brown, and chrysotile is white. Chrysotile is a hydrosilicate of magnesium. That is why its fibers are soft and elastic. In an acid environment, they can be easily dissolved thanks to the molecules of magnesium. In the human body, they can be destroyed within a period of 2 weeks. In that case, they do not pose any danger for human health. The fibers of other amphiboles are as sharp as needles. Unlike chrysotile, they are highly resistant to dissolution in an acid environment. That is why their accumulation in the lungs may cause serious diseases, including oncological diseases. The period of depletion of these substances is 466 days. For chrysotile asbestos, it's only 14 days. Chrysotile asbestos is a natural mineral that occupies 2/3 of the Earth's crust. Due to erosion of mountainous minerals, the fibers of chrysotile are also present in the air. Their concentration does not exceed 0.001 fiber per cubic centimeter. A person who lives far from the places of chrysotile production generally inhales up to 15,000 fibers. It can also penetrate into the human body with water. In that case, the amount of fibers may reach a figure of 2 million per day. No hazard for health has been noted. Incidentally, 30% of lung cancer illnesses are caused by continuous smoking, and only 5% of these cases happen due to interaction with carcinogens, including asbestos. Hazardous influence of amphibole asbestos has been recorded mostly in the mining sites with no methods of health protection. The airborne concentration of fibers has been 500 times higher. The safeness of chrysotile is confirmed by extensive scientific research of both Russian and Western specialists. Convention of International Labour Organization number 162 allows the controlled use of the chrysotile if all the safety rules are observed. The production procedures prescribe good ventilation at workplaces, wearing protection masks, and attending regular medical checkups. In some cases, chain smokers can be banned from work. In these cases, the risk of disease is heavily reduced. International Organization of Labour notes that the asbestos question is an issue of industrial hygiene. It cannot harm health on a large scale. For this reason, the ban of chrysotile is as senseless as it would be the prohibition of salt fish.